Welcome to Italisvital, your natural health and wellness stop. Hi guys, thank you for stopping by to share with Julie today. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today, guys. So I did a video recently where I talked about endometriosis and some of the things that you can do to assist yourself if you're dealing with endometriosis. And one of the things I did not mention was the castor oil pack. And Tawana, which is one of my regular viewer, big up yourself, Tawana, she mentioned the castor oil pack, and so I figured I'd just do a video quickly and remind you guys that that is an option and you can use it along with the other things that you're doing. So that's the castor oil pack. There are some videos on YouTube that shows you how to do it. I also have a detailed post on my blog on how to do it, and I have the link down below. But basically what you do is to warm the castor oil, and you would submerge a piece of cotton flannel or wool, because you want natural fiber. Only natural fiber you would use. So you would use something like wool or cotton, maybe preferable cotton, since that is made from a plant. And so you could use the cotton. You submerge the cloth in the castor oil. You don't want it to be dripping too much, but you want it to be wet where you could it could just stick to the skin nicely. And then you would cover that, usually with a piece of plastic, and then you could put a towel around that. Some people apply a heating pad or a hot water bottle to that. Some people don't. They just go under the cover and put towels around them just to keep them warm. So like I say, there are videos on YouTube on how to do it also, and I do have the information on my blog. But that's something that you should look at. It can be really, really helpful, and help to alleviate the pains and help to speed the healing process. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be the change you'd like to see in this world. Have a fantabulous day today. Ta-ta!